How are you?
Good, thank you.
I'd like to get 2 veggie burgers.
Okay.
Plus onion.
Gotcha.
Plus
Regular onions,
mustard.
right? Mustard.
Minus bread.
Gotcha. And then the veggie burgers are just the bun and vegetables. Is that okay?
So lettuce, tomato, onions,
Yes.
and mustard.
Yes.
Minus bread.
Perfect. Perfect. And would you like a fry?
Nope.
Anything to drink?
Nope. To go.
Just those 2 veggie burgers, mustard instead of spread with onion to go. $5.52, please.
All right. Thank you.
Would you like a water cup while we wait for that?
Yeah, please.